In this video, I'll detail how to set time on Apple Watch Series 9 without iPhone. So if you have the Apple Watch Series 9, whether 41mm or 45mm, and then you want to set your Apple Watch Series 9 time without using your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to go about this step by step. Literally, if you want to change your Apple Watch Series 9 time zone or set time on your Apple Watch Series 9, you need to use your iPhone, but if you want to set time ahead of time on your Apple Watch without using your iPhone, here are the steps to take. Then press the 2-1 to exit the clock face, and then you'll be taken to the help library. On the help library, scroll down until find the settings icon and then tap on it. Then once you can tap the settings icon, you want to scroll down on the Apple Watch Series 9 settings page until you get to clock. Then go ahead and click on the clock icon. There you go. Then scroll down using the 2-1. Then you should see +0 minutes. With the +0 minutes, you'll be able to set time on your Apple Watch without your iPhone and add additional minute to the normal time you have on your Apple Watch. Then you can see the time is 10:21 here. Then if you are setting out by 1 p.m., then you can just add extra 59 minutes to this to set time ahead of the normal time you want to go out on your Apple Watch without using your iPhone. Mark you cannot reduce the normal time on your Apple Watch using the clock app. Then go ahead and tap 0 minutes. Then here, use the 2-1 to swipe, scroll like this, and then add the minute you want to add the normal time on your Apple Watch. Then the beauty of this is this. Once you click on the set button, this is going to change the clock face time on your Apple Watch to the newly set time by adding extra minutes to it. Here you can see I had extra 45 minutes to the clock on my Apple Watch, and then the normal clock time is 10:21, and here you can see I have 11:06. Then if I go back to the clock face, then you can see I have 11:06. Then if I swap up a bit, you can see this is the normal time here, 10:22. However, your Apple Watch is going to display this on your iPhone until this time is elapsed, and once this time is elapsed, this is going to pick up from whatever it is or from what you set on your Apple Watch screen. So with this, you'll be able to add extra minute to the time you want to jet out, or when you're targeting a particular assignment to be taken at a particular period of time, then you can use this feature clock to set the time on your Apple Watch Series 9. So if you found this helpful and informative on how you can easily set time on Apple Watch Series 9 without your iPhone, then do not forget to like and subscribe.